Can you trade indices on Oanda? To make more money, it is always suggested that you invest them. There are several ways of investing. Among them is investment in properties. Others take up investment in the stock and futures markets. However, the hottest trend among investors is trading in the Forex market. The market for Forex trading is increasing tremendously day by day. That is, more and more people are investing in Forex. Simply, Forex or FX means foreign currency exchange. It is the largest financial trading system in the world. The trading volume is about $3 trillion per day. It dwarfs the New York Stock Exchange, which is trading at about $65 billion. It is one of the most exciting and most liquid financial trading and investment vehicle available. It is easy to trade but difficult to make profits. You can trade online. However, as in all investment and trading systems, you not only can make money, you can also lose money. It is a risky trading platform. If you are reading this article, then you are aware of or are interested in Forex or are already trading in Forex. If you are a beginner, just be aware of this. About 95% of Forex traders do not make money from Forex. Only about 5% of these traders make money. Well, this small group can be called the professional Forex traders. The majority of these people know the in and out of the systems. They have been in the trade for a long time. They were there maybe once they were losers but came out winners. How about those who are just starting out? If you were one of them, most likely you will lose money. Most likely you will be frustrated and desperate. You have heard from the gurus that you can make tons of money. You seldom hear of the gurus saying you will lose money. It is true that some really live comfortably trading Forex. These seasoned FX traders have already gone through thick and thin, experienced bitter failures and finally sweet successes. Many never taste success. For a beginner to be successful, you will need to do time, go through sweat and tears. If you follow the hard way. However, you may want to fast track to make real profits. You do not want to prolong your agony and pain. You may only achieve this if you take action. There is no gain if no action is taken. You have to be committed to the cause. You need to be prepared to invest a small amount to educate yourself. You need to educate yourself sufficiently well with additional tools to prepare for the battle. Once you hit the profit path, all your little investments can be easily recouped many times over.